Here's how to fix send later not showing up in messages. Now, if you have your iPhone and you wanted to send a text message later or schedule it out to basically be sent 30 minutes from now or tomorrow or another date, I'll show you how to fix it if it's not showing up. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up our Messages app here. And let's say if I tap on a conversation, I can tap on the little plus at the bottom left here. And you can see send later. Now I can tap more if it doesn't show up there, but if I tap send later, I can choose today at 7 p.m. or tomorrow or a week from now or whatever. But keep in mind, this is only a feature for iMessages. So if I tap on a random text here and tap on the plus at the bottom left, you can see send later just doesn't pop up. Essentially, this is because the send later feature might be missing or not showing up because it is an SMS text message with someone else with an Android phone. However, if you're sure that it should be showing up and it's through iMessage, let's head into your settings. Tap on General and Software Update. This is a fairly new feature, so I would just recommend updating to the latest iOS operating system. I have iOS 18.1, so just update your phone to the latest version to be able to get that feature. Now, the next thing we can do if it's still not working is we will scroll to the bottom and tap on Apps at the very bottom. Now, we're going to find Messages here, so scroll down until we get to the M's, tap on Messages. And all you need to do is toggle off iMessage, wait a little bit, and toggle it back on. This will kind of reset the iMessage and reset the activation for your iMessages for your phone. Now, if you go through this entire process and it's still not working, it's still not showing up, the last thing I would recommend doing is heading back into your settings. Let's go back here. We will tap on General and scroll to the very bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and let's hit Reset here, and we're going to choose to reset your network settings. A lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches within your network settings, which falls under phone calls as well as messages. So just reset all those back to the factory default, and then you should be good. It should pop up with the ability to send those messages later or to schedule them out for whatever time or date that you want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.